Man, this bike is just so refreshingly light. 2018 Yamaha MT-07, formerly FZ-07. Now I've ridden the MT-09 and the MT-10 at previous demo days. First time doing the L7. I've heard nothing but good things about it, so fixing to find out. Thanks. Thanks. Dude, this bike already feels really light. Feeling a lot like my Monster 21, I must say. Feels good, actually. A nice little windscreen and some bar and mirrors that really set this bike off. Ooh, Maserati. Don't get rider modes on this one. No biggie though. You kind of don't need them. That rear brake pedal is a little lower than what I'm used to, but it's a good bike. The bike matches my gloves. Oh, clutch pedal is super light. Pull super light. Just cruising along. Okay, I'm not going to get into the whole beginner bike debates and conversations and recommend to people what size bike you should start on and all that, because I feel like you should start on whatever you want to. It really doesn't matter, because it's up to you. But this would be a pretty chill bike to start out on. I will say that. I'm not saying go get this as a starter bike, but it's not a bad idea. Comfortable, clutch is light, peppy engine, strong front and rear brakes from what I can tell. Like, I think a slip-on exhaust or a full-on exhaust will really make this bike sound a lot better. Just really muffled. Something like that. Like, you can just flick this bike around. Oh, mirrors are pretty good also. Not having any problem seeing anything. Man, this bike is just so refreshingly light, man. Like, you just point it in any direction you want to go and it just goes. Bro, I would love to make this into a little track day bike. Okay, let's see. Full-on exhaust, an engine tune. What else do I really need? I think I'll start off with that one of these. Maybe do clip-on handlebars to lower everything a little bit. Dude, I'm enjoying this little bike. It's so cool. It's just a little pleasant, fun, light ride. '18 MT-07. Nice, very nice. Cannot go wrong with this bike. It's a nice all-arounder with a lot of potential.